Okay, that means we can go inside. Okay, we'll look around here. All right, you guys, we're gonna get the tour here. That's beautiful. Wow, it's gorgeous. The silk beeling. So this is a wheel for winding silk? You wind it, okay. Ah, I see right here. Like this, you wind it around. And then you start with this. Or these are the finished balls, or you could put it on a spool. And then you make your things after you make it up. Oh, these are the cocoons. Oh, you take the cocoon and then you stretch it and wind it up. Okay. That's what that looks like. Oh, this is the order of it. Okay. Life cycle of the silkworm.
And the cocoon are too special.
Oh.
The color, the yellow in Thai.
Okay.
Chinese.
Well, the Chinese is white.
White color.
Two colors, white and yellow.
Yeah.
Chinese white, yellow Thailand. Wow.
And in Chinese, long.
Oh, they're longer.
Many.
Oh, wow. Wow. Yeah. Interesting. Very interesting. Huh. The journey of silk. Interesting. The journey of silk.
Different smell.
Oh, really?
And this one not still.
Oh, wow.
Different now. Yeah.
Oh, wow. One will burn?
Plastic smell.
Yeah,
And the
smell.
Thai seal. The smell.
Oh.
Hand.
Oh. So that's the good smell?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. You can burn it and tell if it's real silk or not. Very interesting. Ah, I did not know that. Burning is the way to prove whether it's pure silk. That's really interesting. When the yarn is burned and it burns slowly, without any bad odor, without becoming a sticky lump, that is proof that it is definitely pure silk. Interesting. Ah. So 100% Thai silk
Yeah.
and artificial silk. Can you see the difference?
Yeah. You know.
You can feel it?
นี่มันเหมือนอันนี้เป็นโพลี
Let's see.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, very rough.
100% still.
Oh, yeah, it feels nice. Probably stays cool too.
Smell plastic.
Oh, you smell the plastic. Okay,
Yeah.
that makes sense. Ah. So what are these leaves?
ไหน
What are the leaves? Is this what they eat? The food?
Yes.
Oh, that's their food. Are there any in here now?
Egg.
Egg.
And
Oh. Oh, these are the cocoons. Okay, they live in here. I see. Ah. Is that a silkworm? That big worm?
Yeah.
That is alive? Wow. Is that the...
temper not big. The cell.
Oh, okay.
And the
They're only small.
little.
Okay. Wow. All right, looks like the factory here, you guys. Wow. Very cool. Wow. So you make them wet, and then you stretch them out. See that, you guys? You let the silk soak,
In Thai.
and then you wrap it around the bundle, and then you wind it around. Wow, that's interesting.
Before and after.
Wow.
Very soft.
Wow, look at how it just stretches out.
เอามาเป็นเนี่ยเซม
Wow.
You can touch ออกมาเป็นเนี่ย
Oh yeah, it's pretty rough. It's pretty rough, actually.
เคมีก่อน
How do they make it soft? Do they wash it, or
Water.
do they do anything to make it softer?
Yeah. About ก็ได้ค่ะ
Interesting.
5 meter
Okay. Ah, oh, it's 5 meters long. Okay.
ตัวนี้ประมาณเดียวกัน
Look at how that stretches out, you
ลาย
guys.
เหมือนกันเนาะเอามาเป็น500 เมตรเนี่ย
500นี่เลยไม่มันนั่งหน่อย
ใช่แล้วจะอู้ก็เลยก็ไม่เอาจังไหม
ว่าไปเลยอ่ะพี่ฝากเขาทานเพราะว่า
So look at how they just
กลับไปอ่ะ
She lets them just kind of all
กลับมาเถอะ
collect together and then wrap around one strand. That's really interesting how that's done. Then she just collects it into this basket here.
คืนนี้เนาะ
Huh. Wow. Does she do this 8 hours a day? 8 hours a day? Wow. That's a lot of work.
นี่นะ
Yeah. And then you stretch it over here on the long strands. And then they have some looms over here. Wow, very interesting, you guys. Look at that. I don't even know where I would begin. I think I would get lost. All right, so here they have working looms. You don't think this takes a lot of work, you guys? Look at what it takes. So for each row, you can hear her click for another row. Wow, look at how much time that takes to do. And look at how fine those threads are. Look at that. There's like
อันนี้เป็นเดียว
a top layer and a bottom layer. And then she runs it through the center. And then she pushes it against there. See, that's one row. And then she throws it back for the next row. She pulls each layer tight against the next layer. Look at that. Wild. And see how she just pulls on it and it draws it side to side? That's cool. That's really clever. Wow. That's an interesting machine. That is really interesting. This loom. Wow. That's cool, you guys. Look at that. It's simple, but it's so effective. It's just so effective. And she's got all the different spools down here.
เชียนสกูล
Ah. So what does she make? What does she make here?
เหรอ
She just make cloth for clothes? Or does she make,
ติ๊กเฮทูห้องไหนวะพอเมกับเท้าเซิน
oh, trouser.
สูตร
Oh,
ทูพลายติ๊กเกอร์นะ
okay.
สู
Ah,
ตรเป็นเท้าเซินเป็นเรด
okay.
แจ็คเก็ตเลยค่ะ and the one ply make from blouse
Okay. Oh, one ply is for the blouse.
the
Okay.
same quality
Ah,
a different the thicker
okay.
yeah
Yeah, you really got to pay attention. So much work doing this type of work, you guys. And look at how fine these threads are. Can you believe that? And it's like spider webs. It's just crazy. That's really something. Huh. Very cool. Very cool. So you got some more stuff over here. Alright. So show me their studio here, I guess. Alright.
You can never access to me, sir.
Say? Oh, please. Please, thank you.
you.
Kapun cap, thank you. Ah, thank you. Ah, thank you.
สวัสดีค่ะ hello
Thank you. Hello.
please ให้พวกเรา please
Ah. All right, you guys. They got a lot of different clothes. So this one's 3,975, just to give you an idea. A lot of nice men's shirts here too. Yeah, very nice. I wonder if all these are made here.
May I have your photo
Ah, you can.
for our Facebook?
You can.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, they're gonna take my photo.
Because now not too much customer.
All right.
We hope next month
Oh, I
Yeah,
hope
lots of
so. I
customers.
hope so too.
Yeah.
I hope so.
Yes.
Wow, because Thailand needs to start so bad.
Yeah.
They
yeah.
need to start. It's
Yes.
time.
Yeah.
It's time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I tell my friends, Asia needs to open big, big time.
Big time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So many people want to come to Thailand, but they want it to open like old time.
Yeah.
They want the old Thailand they remember to be open. Then they will come like crazy. They will come like crazy. People waiting. So I hope they listen to what the people ask for, and if they open, it will be very busy again. But it has to open. And some people want to drink. They want to have a beer. Some people want nightlife. They want the old Thailand.
Yeah.
And then they will come.
Yeah.
I know it will happen.
Thank you.
So thank you. Kaplan Kap, thank you.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
So that's why I make these videos to show people.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. A lot of different options here, you guys. So they have a men's section and a ladies section. A lot of different garments. All right, so I'll just give you a little quick overview here, in case you're wondering what they have. So these are more like a high-end clothes shop, custom made, very fine products. And you're getting a quality piece. So you're gonna pay more, but you're gonna have more in the long run because it's gonna last longer. If you buy a quality product made with good materials. You know, I used to do a high-end car restoration. I tell people, you only get out of it what you pay for and what's put into that product, labor-wise and material-wise. So they have all the different textiles here, and I'll show you these just because a lot of these are kind of unique for this region. You may not see them anywhere else. So I'll give you a quick little overview of some of the textiles here. You may not see these anywhere else. You might see this video and go, you know what? I need that textile, number 770, 855, and I want that. So you call these guys up and say, hey, look at this video, and this frame and this part is that textile. I want that. You see colors you may not see anywhere else in the world. Like this teal turquoise. This is my favorite color right here. I had a car that I painted that color. Outstanding. I did a 66 T-Bird, painted that color. This is a close second to it right here. It's a close second. So that's my favorite color, and it's very hard to find. That's what I'm saying. You might see something here, you're like, my gosh, I gotta have that. Look at this table here. This is insane. Look at that, it's one piece. One giant slab. Very cool. All right, so we're just gonna buzz through this last thing of textiles. That'll be it, you guys. To somebody, this is gonna be something important to see this, so that's why I take my time to go through this. Very nice, beautiful. Nice factory, thank you, thank you. So they have more in here, you guys. A little bit of everything. Some trinkets. All right, you guys. Hello? I just want to make sure I show everybody what you have. Oh, the scarves are here. Okay, that's what she was saying. These are the scarves. And that's what we were seeing some at that other place too, some scarves. Lots of choices, you guys. If you're looking for scarves. All right. So some hats, you're looking for hats? Plenty of hats. Oh, you got ties. We'll even look at the ties for you guys. Some nice shirts. Nice shirts, you guys. All right, little men's section here. So let's get an idea what this runs, just so you know. So this is 2,900. So 1,000 is 30, so it's about $90 US. The ties, how much is a tie? Let's see, what is a tie run? Tie is $6.20, so that is about 20 bucks. Not bad for a silk tie. That's not bad. We got suits, suit jackets. Yeah, really nice stuff, you guys. Some more ties. Huh, very cool. Yeah, really nice store. Beautiful. All right, so what haven't we seen? We got some pillows.
This is a pillow and table runner.
And table runners, okay. Okay, you need some table runners. Very nice. Some more options back there. All right, one last stop. And we'll wrap it up. Thank you, Kapun Kap. All right, so here is the brochure, you guys. This is the place to look for. This is the place you want to contact. There you go. Any questions? Just let me know.
Hey, Vern.